Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Volkswagen Jetta PZEV. This four-door sedan has a 5-cylinder, 2.5-liter i5 engine with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 71,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.